Welcome guys and girls. We just had a huge announcement where both Claude and AWS announced Claude platforms such as Claude Code or Claude Cowork can now run natively on AWS. In this video, I'm going to go over how to set that up step by step with a demo. So by the end of this video, you will have your Claude Code or Claude Cowork running natively on AWS. You'll understand what challenges is this feature solving and why is this such a big deal, as well as how is this different than Claude models already running in Amazon Bedrock. If you are someone who is learning cloud or already working on cloud and want to add on Gen AI or transition your career to Gen AI, this one is super important because till now the Claude and AWS were a little bit disjointed, but with this announcement now the features are being integrated. So with that being said, let's jump in. All right, so this is the current way you work. In your laptop or desktop, you have Claude Code or Claude Cowork running, and then you select different models in there, like Opus 4.5, 4.7, Sonnet, etc. Where is that model running? That LLM or large language model is running in Anthropic's hardware. Whatever prompt you send, Anthropic gets it, runs it, sends it back to you, and it is saving everything in the Anthropic hardware. And this Claude Code may generate something like a CloudFormation or Python code, and then you can deploy it on AWS. Now, what is the problem? There are multiple problems with this approach. Number one is cost. So you are managing cost of AWS, but you are also paying Anthropic for this model usage. Second is security. If you work in a highly secure and regulated company, you cannot use this because all this data that you are sending as a prompt, it's going to Anthropic. And Anthropic is running this data on their hardware. You cannot really implement strict security controls. But if you think about it, AWS has a service called Bedrock. And in this Bedrock, you have LLMs running, right? You have Opus, Sonnet, etc. However, this Claude Code or Claude Cowork cannot access this Bedrock, right? It can only access large language model running in Anthropic. This announcement changes that. Now you can point your Claude platform, which is running on your local machine, to Claude models running on your AWS cloud on your Bedrock service. You do not need to send any data or even interact with the large language model running on Anthropic hardware. So what are the advantages of this? All data stays on your infrastructure because this Claude Code is your local machine given by your company, and this AWS account is your company account, so you can enforce strict security controls. You can also disable metadata collection by Anthropic. By default, they get some statistics that how much you are using, how many tokens, but you can also disable it, making it fully secure. And now you don't have to maintain two different places for cost, right? Because now you control everything from AWS. So if you have a special enterprise discount or you have cost controls, you can implement all of it. Even the development cost, you can control using your AWS cost and billing. Next one, you can control access using AWS method. This Claude Code is coming to AWS for the large language model access, so you can control how they access it, whether this local laptop is using a key value or AWS SSO, etc. And you will see this in action in a minute during the demo. But at the same time, you take advantage of the Claude Code and Cowork harness. Let's just face it, currently Claude Code and Claude Cowork is the best out there, and the harness basically means that Claude has put together some secret sauce where it knows when to stop a process, when to create subagents and all that stuff. Till now, if you have been working in a bank or a government agency, you could not be able to use this because Claude would be sending everything to Anthropic. But with this change, you can use those Claude Code Cowork harness because it's running on your local machine and you don't have to send anything to Anthropic. For this reason, it opens up for high security workload, and if you want to connect to some MCP servers outside of AWS, you could do that as well. So you can have all the features that you have today with the Claude platform. So you are not sacrificing any features with this new announcement. By the way, if you want to read about these topics in a little bit more detail in a text format, along with the code snippet, sign up to my free newsletter. When you sign up, you also get a free Cloud and Gen AI interview guide that many of my students use successfully to get top tech jobs. All right, back to the video. All right, so now let's set this up. With your Claude Code open, go to Help. Now, I was a little bit confused on that. If you click your profile here, you will see this Get Help. That's not what you want. You want this option called Help. If you are in Windows, you will see this hamburger menu on the Claude Code itself. So click Help, Troubleshooting, click Help, Troubleshooting, and then you will see Enable Developer Mode. And once you do that, you will see this developer option open up. There, click Configure Third-Party Inference. So this is the large language model inference. So here you could see now you have these new options. So this part is new. Here you can go to Gateway, Bedrock, Vertex, or Foundry. So select Bedrock, and here you have to give AWS region. So I'm going to give US West 2. Now you can give AWS bearer token, which is a secret, but that's not the recommended way. Recommended way is to connect using AWS profile name. So first of all, you need to make sure you have AWS profile set up. And to try it out, you can run this command, AWS bedrock list-inference profile, and then you can give your profile name. So in my case, the profile name is default. So if I press this and if I get step back, that means I'm all set. If you don't have this, then you either have to run AWS configure or AWS SSO and then set that up. So this is working. This means my local laptop is connected to my AWS account, which has access to Amazon Bedrock. Because remember, now Claude Code is going to access the Claude models running in my AWS account, and this is how you control access. All right, so my profile name is default. Let's put that. Next is the model list. So in this case, if you note this output, so it has these model names that you can use. So if I go back here, okay, so this is another thing that's not in the documentation. You have to put US dot, or you can put EU dot, so that cross-region inference works. All right, scroll down. All right, and the last thing you do is you enable the skip login mode chooser. So when you relaunch this, Anthropic should give you option to whether to choose from this AWS or Anthropic, but sometimes it's buggy. So to make sure to test out these changes, you can say, hey, always go to this configuration. After you are done, click apply locally and then relaunch. Okay, so as you could see, now it says Opus 4.5 and that's the only model. So that's how you know that this is actually going to AWS. Now you are all set. You can literally code, co-work, anything you want. If you want to add MCP server, you can do all of it. There is a detailed blog that AWS released. However, the installation steps are not there. So if you follow the steps I just showed you, you will be able to install all of it. All right, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. Bye.